Hi YouTubers, never did get back to showing you the chappie I was building, or the head. I've still got another front bar to put on across there, but yeah, it came out alright. I'm not too happy with the paint job. You see more of a metallic silver, then you see another one, and one of the aerials is red, so when I get time I'll get back to it. But it was 35 hours to print. I've not put the back bits on yet, so I've still got to figure out, because the plans weren't exactly that informative. But so, oh, there we go. Sorry, but it's a fair size for Robot's head, and I'm pleased with it. But I didn't want you thinking I'd started it and not finished it. Well, that's that. Have a good day.